Hi, I'm Chuck Proctor, Product Manager for the 7800 Unit Controller. For many years now, we've been looking for a way to offer a panel-mounted control product that would allow us to meet more of our customers' overall needs. We now have that product for you. Our customers typically buy measurement devices with an intent to integrate them into a control system of some kind. Our new 7800 UC product will meet their needs where a relatively small number of loops are required. 7800 will allow you to offer the kind of product your customers want, to provide a complete product line to help you sell other Rosemount products by being able to offer a total package on small projects, to plant seeds which may grow into future system sales, and of course to pick up some added revenue. To satisfy all these requirements demands an exceptional product and a planned sales approach. The video you'll see in a moment will provide details on this exceptional new product. Because it is an exceptional product, we can sell it as a companion to our main product lines, without the attention and hard sell a mediocre product would require. We can work it into other presentations because it really fits. It's part of the loop the customer needs anyway. We can include information on the 7800 with quotations for small projects where we are already quoting a range of products. Broadening your product line is a way to sell more without appreciably increasing your time in front of customers. And in introducing the 7800, we've targeted experienced unit controller or RS3 users. These are the instrument engineers you are already calling on. For the most part, they are in large organizations, already know what products like the 7800 are, and need the least support. We're not really targeting small plants where the control vendor must provide a turnkey package, although our plans include sales to systems integrators who could provide such packages. Because the product is state-of-the-art, it doesn't require such careful qualification to ensure that the product really meets the customer's needs. Like the spaghetti sauce commercial says, it's in there. When your customer asks, "Can this controller do X?" you can be confident that if anyone's can, yours can. The only exception to this is one you really need to understand. We don't do auto-tuning or self-tuning. We don't because our competitors who have it spend incredible time trying to get it to work on loops that can hardly be tuned by humans. This ties up service people and usually doesn't satisfy the customers anyway. In the US, we will supply configuration services, on-site loop checkout, and tuning for fixed prices through the service organization. In other areas of the world, the local sub will handle these services as they would for any other control product. This video includes all major portions of the PL28 product line, not all of which will be introduced at once. Please consult the product introduction schedule for availability for sale and shipment in your area. Finally, let me restate that the 7800 has all the main features which customers are going to find in competitive products. It excels in the areas of communications, configuration ease, operator interface, and the power of the algorithms available. It's an exciting new product and should be a lot of fun to sell. Now let's see some of these great features on the video.
The Rosemount Model 7800 UC unit controller is a highly reliable, flexible, and cost-effective product that offers several key advantages over other controllers on the market. It features quick and simple configuration, powerful communication, a highly versatile operator interface, and a broad range of flexible control algorithms. The 7800 UC is a digital multifunction controller that provides flexible control loops for PID, cascade, and ratio control, as well as measurement loops, control logic, and more. Available in two models, self-programmed or PC-programmed, the 7800 weighs just 6.5 pounds and comes in standard half-DIN panel or field-type enclosures. This is the 7800 CPU. On it are a capacitor which preserves operating parameters, such as set point modes and trends, for up to 24 hours in RAM, and an EEPROM chip capable of storing the 7800's configuration data for up to 10 years. The power inputs are located on the back of the controller. 115 or 230 volt AC 50-60 Hz, or a nominal 24 volt DC. In the event of power failure, The 24-volt DC can serve as a backup to the AC power. The controller has 4 analog inputs, 2 analog outputs, 4 digital inputs, and 4 digital outputs, with separate transmitter power supplies provided for each input. Modular design of the 7800 allows for simplified repair. Removable terminal blocks snap in and out of place, so no wiring needs to be disconnected to remove the controller. The 7800 offers exceptional communications capabilities. Standard hardware on the controller includes an RS-232 connector located under the front faceplate, as well as RS-485 terminals on the back of the unit. Up to 15 controllers per bus can be addressed. The 7800 also features a front access port for HART. The port allows a 268 to be used for easy transmitter access without locating the terminals on the back of the controller. An optional RS-485 bus with baud rates up to 38 kilobaud is available to provide added communications power to the 7800. The RS-485 gives users 2 protocol options from which to choose. The Modbus protocol option provides compatibility with PC packages, such as Genesis, The Fix, and OnSpec, or compatibility with the Rosemount System 3 DCS. The second protocol option allows peer-to-peer communications without the use of a host. A key feature of the 7800 unit controller is its operator interface. The interface is comprised of a backlit Super Twist high-resolution liquid crystal display and a set of control buttons along the right side of the faceplate. The control buttons include Select, Option, Enter, Local Remote Computer, Auto Manual, Set Point Output, and Vertical Slewing. There are 5 display configurations available with the 7800. They include Controller, Measurement Set, Trend, Alarm Text, and Motor Control. The most commonly used of these is the controller display. On the far left side of the controller display is a column of letters. The bottom letter can be either an M for measurement, S for set point, or O for output. The numerical value for these are shown in the lower portion of the screen. The next letter can be either an A for auto or M for manual. The next letter can be either an L for local, R for remote, or C for computer to tell the 7800 the set point source. At the top of this column, the letters M and I may appear. M indicates that the loop is being forced into manual by an outside signal, and I indicates that the output is being forced to interlock with an outside signal. Adjacent to the column of letters is a bar display showing the measured variable. Next to this bar is an arrowhead cursor. By using the vertical slewing buttons with the control loop in the set point mode, the cursor can be moved up and down until the desired set point value is reached. The bar displayed on the right side of the cursor represents the output of the control loop. When the control loop is in manual, the output can be changed using the vertical slewing buttons. The second type of configurable display available with the 7800 is measurement set. There are 2 displays of this type. The dual measurement display features 2 bars numbered 1 and 2. By pushing the Enter button, the operator can switch between the 2 bars for numerical readouts, or set manual outputs or ratio bias values. The 4-bar measurement display features 4 bar measurements in the upper portion of the screen, with their numerical values shown in the lower part of the screen. A third display available with the 7800 is Trend. The trend displays can be accessed by pushing the Select button in either the controller or dual measurement displays. Half-hour, 8-hour, and 24-hour trends are standard with the 7800. The fourth display is alarm text. This display features 17 lines of 5 or 9 characters. Each line can be normal, inverse, or flashing. In addition, when an alarm is triggered, hidden text within the display can pop up, or the display can be configured to automatically show a separate alarm display. The fifth configurable display is motor control. Up to 8 mechanical items can be controlled using this display. The on-off status of each item is shown and can be changed using the 7800 operator interface. Application programming or configuration of the Model 7800 UC is made easy through the use of pre-programmed unit blocks. There are no EEPROMs to program, no extra keyboards to lose, and no cryptic configuration codes to memorize. In addition, password security is available to restrict user access. All configuration on the 7800 is in plain English and is completed using only the front panel. Configuration data is then saved on backup disk. The unit blocks available on the self-programmed 7800 include 3 PID, 6 measurement and calculation blocks, and 4 logic blocks. Logic and analog interact for alarms and shutdowns. Easy Menu, a software package developed by Rosemount specifically for configuring the PC Model 7800, offers many user-friendly features, such as pull-down menus and configuration mapping. Easy Menu can be used on either a standard desktop or inexpensive notebook-type personal computer to provide greater configuration capabilities for the 7800, such as a wide variety of unit block types, over 250 functional blocks per application, 8 configurable displays, and selectable sequencing of display pages and types. Another Rosemount software program, SmartLoop, is available to provide control and monitoring capabilities for the 7800 UC. Some key features of this software package include easy-to-use graphic displays, networking and host communications, open format reporting, custom graphics and trending, PLC compatibility, alarm and log listing, and Rosemount Smart Tank software compatibility. If the PC fails, all necessary operator actions can continue in emergencies because all control resides in the 7800. The Rosemount Model 7800 UC is truly an exceptional product. It offers quick and simple configuration, powerful communication, a highly versatile operator interface, and a broad range of flexible control algorithms. No other standalone controller on the market can match these salient features of the 7800 UC. In short, few options are necessary. The basic model does it all.